The Secretary General is hereby directed to call the roll of members for nominal voting. The Chair reminds all members that the House is now in process of voting, and pursuant to the rules, the voting process shall not be interrupted at any other business or question. Members who wish to explain their vote shall be recognized after the announcement of the results and shall be allotted 3 minutes each for such purpose. Secretary General, conduct the nominal voting.
Roll of members: Abalos, Abante, Asidre, Acop, Acosta, Adyong, Advincula, Agarao, Agyao, Alano, Alba, Albano, Almario Chino Manuel, Almario Dennis, Almonte, Alvarez Jose, Alvarez Mercedes, Amante, Amatong, Angara, Angeles, Aquino, Aquino Magsaysay, Arbison Munir, Arbison Munir Jr., Arenas, Arrogancia, Asistio, Ataide, Aumentado, Ayon, Bagao.
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes, and I will explain my vote after everyone has voted. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Balindong, Banyas Nograles, Bangkoro, Barba, Barbers, Baronda, Barzaga,
Mr. Speaker, I vote no, and I will be explaining my vote later.
Baskug,
I am voting no, and I will explain my vote later also.
Bautista Claude, Bautista Joan Monique, Bautista Lim, Beltran, Benitez Alfredo, Benitez Javier Miguel, Bernos Ching, Bernos JB, Biron, Bocobo, Bulilia, Bondok, Briones, Bulut Begtang, Cagas, Calderon, Calixto, Kawagdan, Cari, Castro, Caiton, Celeste, Sendanya,
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes, and I will explain my vote later.
Ceniza, Chan Jan Franz Norbert Joselito Almario, Chan Junard, Chua, Chuatay, Chungalaw, Ko Pilar, Coanco Jaime Eduardo Mark, Coanco Mark, Colliantes,
Mr. Speaker,
Speaker, I vote yes. I vote yes.
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes, and I reserve the right to explain my vote later. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, tinawag na kasi pangalan ko kanina, sa labas ako. I abstain.
Colliantes, Corvera,
Mr. Speaker, my vote is no, but I would like to explain my vote later. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Cruz Agatha, Cruz Ricardo, Cruzado, Kua, Dagook, Dalog, Dayang Hirang, Daza, De Jesus, De Lima,
Mr. Speaker, this representation from the Mamamayang Liberal ML Party List votes yes, and will explain later. Thank you.
De Venecia, Defensor, De Gamo, Del Mar, De Los Santos,
Mr. Speaker, the
This representation votes no, and I'd like to explain my vote later.
De Los Santos, Di Macuja, Di Maguila, Di Maporo Imelda, Di Maporo City Amina, Diokno,
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes. I will explain my vote later.
Dionisio, Domingo, Domogan, Duterte Harold James, Duterte
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes, and I'm submitting my explanation in writing, Mr. Speaker.
Duterte Omar Vincent, Duterte Paulo, D. Faustino Michael Carlos, D. Ian Paul, Elago,
Mr. Speaker, this representation from Gabriela Women's Party votes yes, and I will explain my vote later. Thank you.
Emano, Enverga, Erice,
Mr. Speaker, I abstain from the voting and please register my previous privileged speech last Tuesday as my explanation of vote. Thank you.
Escudero, Espares, Espina, Estrella, Ferrer Antonio, Ferrer Jeffrey, Flores, Fortes, Frasco, Fresnedi, Fuentebella, Galang, Galeyos, Garbin, Garcia Albert, Garcia Dante, Garcia Jose Arturo, Garcia Karen Hope.
Mr. Speaker, my vote is no, and I reserve the right to submit a written explanation of my vote. Thank you.
Garcia Maria Angela, Guardiola, Garin, Gatchalian, Gato, Glepa, Go, Gomez, Gonzales Alexandria, Gonzales Alisa Micaela, Gonzales Christopher Sheen, Gonzales Roy, Goriseta, Guico, Gintu,
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes.
Gulyas, Gutierrez, Hernandez Charissa Ann, Hernandez Dennis, Hernandez Ferdinand, Hernandez Ramil, Hofer Hasim, Horibata, Ismula,
Mr. Speaker, my vote is yes, and wish to explain my vote later.
Iway, Javier, Ko Antonio, Ko Elisa, Ko Wilton, Kong Hun, Ko, Labad-Labad, Lacson, Lagbas, Lagdameo Jose Manuel, Lagdameo Monique Yasmin Maria, Lagman,
Mr. Speaker, my vote is yes, and I wish to explain my vote later.
Lagon Daphne, Lagon Sonny, Lara, Lasatin, Ledesma, Legacion, Legarda, Legaspi, Leviste, Libanan, Lopez, Loria, Loyola, Luistro, Lumayag, Macapagal Arroyo, Makasaet, Maceda, Madrona, Malapitan, Manguda Datu, Manikis, Maranyon, Marcoleta, Marcos,
Mr. Speaker, Sagip Party List votes no, and I reserve the right to explain my vote later after nominal voting. Thank you.
Marquez, Mastura, Matibag, Matugas, Mendoza, Mercado, Mercado Revilla,
Mr. Speaker, my vote is no.
Miraflores, Momo, Montes, Nava, Nazal, Nisay, Nolasco,
Mr. Speaker, this representation from Bagong Henerasyon Party List votes no, and I would like the chance to explain my vote later.
Nolasco, Oaminal Henry, Oaminal Sancho Fernando, Oducado, Olivares, Ongchuan, Ordanes, Oreta, Ortega, Uwano Dizon, Padiernos, Panaligan, Pancho, Panotes, Pascual, Perez, Pimentel, Plaza, Plato, Poe, Primicias Agabas, Pumaren, Puno, Kimbo, Rama, Recto, Regencia, Remulla, Revilla Brian, Revilla Ramon Jolo, Ridon, Rivera, Robes, Rodriguez Yuloyo, Rodriguez Maximo, Rodriguez Rufus, Roman,
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes and I wish to explain my vote later.
Romualdez Andrew Julian, Romualdez Ferdinand Martin, Romualdez Yeda Marie, Romualdo, Romulo, Roque, Sagar Baria, Sakaluran, Salceda, Sally, Salvacion, Salvador, Salvame, San Fernando,
Mr. Speaker, this representation votes yes, but with strong reservations, and I would like to explain my vote after the nominal voting.
Santos Maria Alana Samantha, Santos Mark Anthony,
Mr. Speaker, this representation from the Lone District of Las Piñas votes yes. Thank you.
Shimura, Singson
Mr.
Richelle,
Speaker, my vote is no.
Singson Richelle, Singson Ronald, Singson Mihan, Solon, Soriano, Suwan, Swansing Bella Vanessa, Swansing Micaela Angela, Suarez, Suntay,
Mr. Speaker, I vote no and I will explain my vote.
Talyado, Tan Ayman, Tan Joseph, Tan Keith Mika, Tan Reynolds Michael, Tan Samir, Tan Stephen James, Tan Chay, Tan Watko, Tariela, Teodoro, Tereng, Tevez, Tiangco, Tieng,
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes and I will explain my vote later.
Tieng, Tino,
Mr. Speaker, yes ang boto ko and I will explain later.
Tolentino, Tuan, Tulfo Jocelyn, Tulfo Ralph Wendell, Tupas, Tutor,
Mr. Speaker, Ang bagang tingog sa katauhan sa Tercero Distrito is no, and I'll explain my vote. Thank you.
T. Umali. Ungab.
I am voting no, and I'll explain my vote later.
Uy De Carlo. Uy Roberto. Valeriano. Vargas. Vargas Alfonso. Veloso. Veloso Tuazon.
Mr. Speaker, Malasakit at Bayanihan Party List votes no. I reserve the right to submit a written explanation later.
Vergara. Villa. Villafuerte Miguel Luis. Villafuerte Vincenzo Renato Luigi. Villanueva. Villarica. Violago.
Mr. Speaker, the third district of Nueva Ecija votes no. And I reserve my explanation later.
Violago. Yamsuan. Yap Arthur. Yap Christopherson. Yap Eric. Yap Jan Gisnel. Yatko. Inares. Yu Jazel Victoria. Yu Joseph Kim. Yulo. Zamora Maria Carmen. Zamora Isabel Maria. Zubiri.
Mr. Speaker, I respectfully abstain and I will explain my vote later.
Second call, adoption of committee report number 261. Alano. Alba. Almario Chino Miguel. Ayon. Baskug. Bautista Claude. Bautista Lim. Chan Jan Franz Norbert Joselito. Cua. De Los Santos. Garbin. Garcia Jose Arturo. Hernandez Dennis. Lacson. Macapagal Arroyo. Nisay. Oreta. Perez. Plaza. Singson Ronald. Singson Mihan. Solon. Tan Samir. Tanwatko. Uy De Carlo. Villanueva. Yap Arthur C. Yap Christopherson. Inares.
Anong resulta? Diyos ko Lord, nako, na-exciting to. Sigurado impeach yan, Mabsat, sigurado. Again, sa mga bagong pasok, baka naman guys, no, huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Baka nakalimutan nyo mag-like, Mabsat. Like and subscribe po tayo. Ayun na, mukhang yan na yung resulta.
Ilan na yung total? Suspense pa suspense pa. Si Bato, nagwawala kanina mga kabsat. Mamaya pakita ko sa inyo, nagwawala si Bato. Hinarang daw siya ng NBI. Nagkasugat-sugat daw siya. Really? Galit na galit si Bato kanina. Pakita ko sa inyo. Hintay lang natin yung result. Tapos magpa na tayo. Mag next topic tayo. Mamaya. Basta ang importante, malaman natin kung ilan ang mag-vote ng yes. Kung ilan ang ilang votes para ma-impeach itong si Silustay. Okay, go. Don Official, shout out. Live na live tayo guys, hindi tayo delayed. 4:57. Hindi tayo delayed. On time po tayo. Hinihintay lang natin yung resulta bago tayo mag next topic. Naku, nabilang na nila. May resulta na. After 2 hours, nabilang na. Ilan ang bilang nyo? Okay, go. Ano na? Press 1 sa mga naniniwalang may impeach si Sara. Press 2 sa hindi. Tingnan nga natin kung tama yung hinala nyo. Sige nga. Press 1 sa mga naniniwala. Sure ball, may impeach si Sara. Makukuha yung 106. Nako po. Press 1, Mabsat. Press 1. O yun, o. Nako po. Tapos na yung bilangan eh. I-reveal nyo na kung ilan. For the second time around, mga kakabsat, Diyos ko po, Rudy, for the second time around. Naka. Ay, 200 plus, Sir Leonardo. Wow. Nako, iiyak na naman yung mga garapatan yan. Ah? Yan na.
Muli po, ang aking pagpapaalala sa lahat ng pagpapanatili ng kaayusan at paggalang sa proseso na ating kapulungan sa pagpapatuloy ng sesyon ng plenaryo. Sa pag-anunsyo ng resulta ng desisyon ng miyembro ng House of Representatives, mahigpit pong ipinagbabawal ang anumang pagpapakita ng pagsasang-ayon o pagtutol tulad ng pagpalakpak, pagsigaw, pagbu, pagpapakita ng mga placard o anumang kahalintulad na kilos sa loob ng bulwagan at sa galeriya. Hinihiling po natin ang pakikisa ng lahat upang mapanatili ang dignidad at wastong decorum sa kapulungan at sa lahat ng oras. With 255 members voting in the affirmative,
255!
26 against, 9 abstention.
Oh.
House Resolution number 989, together with the findings, conclusion, recommendations
255.
contained in Committee Report number 261 are hereby adopted.
255!
Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, I
Grabe!
move that we recognize the Honorable Representative Bienvenido M. Abante Jr. of the 6th District of Manila to explain his vote.
Representative Abante, 6th District, Manila is hereby recognized.
Alright, mga kakabsat, BBT. Wait lang na. Wait lang, naririnig ko pa si Abante. Mga kabsat, 255! Sir Leonardo Ansag, Diyos ko po, Rudy! 255! Mas malaki pa sa 215 last year. Diyos ko po, Rudy! Sa mga masaya dyan, press 1. At syempre, huwag kalimutan mag-like. Mag-like kayo, mga kabsat, sa mga masaya dyan. I-like nyo yung ating live stream. Masaya kayo dahil na-impeach for the second time itong si Lustay, mga kabsat. Nako po, kahit na nagkaroon ng problema kanina sa Senado, at least, bahala na. No? Tingnan natin kung gagawin nila yung trabaho nila. Pero for the meantime, subtopic muna tayo. Again, 255 versus 215 last year. Ang laki ng dinagdag. Ilan yun? Parang dinagdagan ng 40. Wala na talaga. Wala na. Iyakan time na sa mga garapata. Ha? Again guys, huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. Subtopic tayo kasi meron akong pupuntahan ng 5:30 mabsat. Kailangan kong umalis ng maaga. Tapos tuloy natin ito mamayang gabi. Subtopic tayo.